found himself in for the Edmonton Oilers the other night when he got 19 minutes in penalties for instigating a fight when he was wearing a shield. And now the Sharks on the power play. Boyle, Varlamov, they score! Patrick Marleau, and it's 1-0.
That's got to sting. Big shot from Dan Boyle. And what do? You get to the net. That's exactly what Todd McClellan was talking about. One of our keys to the game. Stay hungry in front. And Patrick Marleau gets to the net, comes behind, then gets to the open space. He's Logan Couture there. Pavelski's there. 3 Sharks at the front of the net. Patrick Marleau gets the Sharks on the board first. That's got to sting if you're the Colorado Avalanche, because you've been playing well. A big hit changes things. O'Byrne gets the double minor. And then the Sharks strike on the power play.
So the Sharks stay on the power play because of O'Byrne's double minor. The rule in the NHL is if you instigate a fight and you wear a shield, right, whether the other player you are fighting wears a shield or not, you get an extra minor penalty. And that's why O'Byrne got 2 for instigating, the other 2 for instigating wearing a shield. 5 for fighting, a 10-minute misconduct, and Ryan O'Byrne will miss the next 19 minutes of this hockey game, and Gabriel Landeskog might miss the rest of this one.
And he was limping off the ice. It wasn't that he was groggy or anything like that from the hit. It looks like he hurt one of his legs because he looked to be limping off the ice when he was helped off by the trainer.
Marleau's power play goal, his 7th of this young season from Pavelski and Boyle at 16:09, and they're back at it again. Irwin to